Yes, my name is Patrick, as I promised you last time. I'm from Same Research, and I'm going to be taking you through a simple walkthrough of some of the products which we offer. Last time, when we met, I showed you the different products which we offer, but now I'm going to be showing you one by one. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how our VaultX account and our VaultX wallet works. How does it work? Simply go into your search engine, into your search bar, in the search tab of the trace, you put in McVaultX.com, and it is going to outplay the platform, which you must first of all log in. What do you have to do? First of all, go and register. And how do you register? Put in your credentials, your name, email address, and then you create any password of choice. After you've registered, what happens? You log in. You log in using your initials, which you have filled in initially. And how does it work? Basically, after logging in, the platform will open itself. You're going to have a dashboard on your left menu. And what it will display is you must first of all create a wallet in the first place. How does it work? When you create a wallet, you're going to name it. You give it your credentials, and you're going to indicate a network through which you're going to use to transact. We have different networks, and one of them is we have Ethereum, we have Base, we have Polygon, among others. And each network has its own tokens or its own coins through which we must transact. We have the cross-chain swapping, and we have also the single model swapping. You can transact from Ethereum to Ethereum, or it can also be cross-chain, where you can swap from Ethereum to Base, of course different coins. How does it work? After creating your wallet, you're going to give it a name, and it is going to guarantee you to allow you to transact across different chains or across different platforms. I'm going to show you a simple video as an attachment to show you how you can create it physically with a physical demonstration. And here
Are you passionate about blockchain? Here is a short guide to guide you how to open up a blockchain account or the VaultX account. And what you have to do is basically very simple. Come into your Chrome or in search engine and tap and put in McVaultX.com. With that, you're going to be able to access our platform, the VaultX platform. And what you have to do in the first place is you have to first register. During the registration process, you have to insert in your name, which is the first name. By this, I'm going to use my name as a case study. So I'm going to use my name as the first name as Patrick, last name Kainga, email www.kaingapatrick@gmail.com, and I'm going to be required to put in a password. So I'm going to create a password of choice. Let me just use the word password for this sake. So after I do register, and after registration, I then click login. So after logging in, I'm going to click my email, and by auto-filling, it will insert my password. After that, I'm going to log in. And what happens after logging in? After logging in, is we are going to look at creating a wallet. And how do you create a wallet? Basically, it's a very short step. Hey, follow with me. So what you have to do in the first place, you come and click wallet, and you click the option where there is import wallet. After importing wallet, you have to click generate recovery phrase. And generating recovery phrase will bring you all these multiple options. So you must get your phone and take a picture of all these words, because you are going to need them in the recovery process in case you lose your wallet. After that, you're going to set a password of choice. Let me just use the word password for this case as well, and also confirm the same password. Let me use the word password for the same. After that, I'm going to press continue, and I'm going to be required to create what we call the wallet name, because I'm creating the wallet account. I'm going to give it a name. Let me just name this as school fees for this point in time. So I'm going to type in school fees, and what happens is that I'm going to choose any chain of choice. Do you understand what I mean? I'm going to attach any chain or any network of choice. There are basically very many. There is Ethereum, there is Base, there is Polygon, among others. So for this sake, I'm going to use Ethereum for this case in point. So after choosing Ethereum, I'm going to choose what we call import, and I'm going to have created a wallet already. So the wallet which I create will appear here as you observe it, and what I have to do is how to swap now. So taking you through the process of swapping, we are going to see how do you create the first swap, and then after that I'm going to show you how to send tokens from one person to another. So if at all you want to swap, you're going to first of all create a chain. You're going to form a chain. So we have what we call the cross-chain swapping and also what we call the same chain swapping. For this case, I'm going to base more on the same chain swapping. So I'm going to use any chain of choice. Let me just use Ethereum, which I used initially. So let me just use Ethereum for this same case. So when I choose Ethereum, I'm going to choose any tokens of choice under Ethereum. For this case, I can choose SDTs. And mind you that before you carrying out any transaction, you must have coins on your account. So by that, I'm going to insert in any amount. Let me say my account, I have over, for example, 9 coins. And I want to see how better I can transact the 9 coins to multiply, to earn extra. So let me just use 0.2 on assumption that my account has over and above 0.2. So when I click 0.2, I'm going to also choose the chain to which I'm transacting. Let me also transact Ethereum, but of a different token this time around. So let me select any token, because here I'm transacting from USDT. Now let me use any other token which I want to transact. For this case, I can choose any token of choice. I'm transacting from USDT. Let me use any other tokens. Let me choose any other token. So I can transact from USDT. Let me say to Uni. So it is going to fetch the best quote, and what it does is to give me the quote. So after this, I can swap. When I press swap, if at all on assumption that I have some coins on my account, it is going to fetch and it's going to be able to give me immediate and urgent results. It's just that my account is empty and I don't have any coins on my account, but it would have given me the best transaction there and then. And after that, this transaction can be visible even on your dashboard. Just that my account is empty and it will
Be the next millionaire. Make money with MC. Thank you.